Hello, today I'm in Kia Stinger. In this video I'll show you steering wheel buttons functions. In the beginning, let's take a look at the steering wheel. Right here we've got the left and the right panel. Firstly, let's start with the left panel, thanks to which we can use voice assistant, change radio source, increase radio volume and decrease it, and change radio station. Also, if you press this button, you will answer the call, and this button allows you to decline the call or end it. Now let's take a look on the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the panel, thanks to which we can navigate through our speedometer display. I mean this and this button. Then we've got the cruise control button, thanks to which we can enable it and disable and manage. And in the end, we've got the distant assistant button. And that's basically it. Of course, if you press here, you'll use horn, and these levers behind the steering wheel allows you to change the gear. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.